Yo, what's up guys? In this video, we got the best creative player on Team Premix to 1v1 a grinder of the team for the chance to potentially join Team Premix. If you guys do enjoy this video, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe as it helps the team a lot. And make sure to follow all of our socials in the description. And if you want a chance to join Team Premix, make sure to use the hashtag PremixTFUp in your next video. Now, let's get on with the video.
What you looking at? Kyle Geardorf?
You're just hot,
Give me a kiss.
Oh yeah! What do you
Alright.
would know?
Dazen is literally sped, like on God.
Oh my god, your skin is so... Yo!
Imagine this happens.
Pickaxe me, you won't. Go for the pickaxe. Go for it. Oh, you're a bitch.
Oh my God.
Go for it.
That's
Stupid.
my least fucking shit you do. Like literally, you only play PGs. Like what other outcome you were expecting? Oh my God, bro.
I'm better than him at his
1-1.
Bro. Edit me in. Stupid. My bad, my bad.
Oh my God.
Oh my god, oh my god.
He's going for the clip.
Weep is literally sweating his nuts off. Holy shit. Oh.
You used all your semen for those edits.
Oh my God.
You
That's
just ejaculated
Oh
on
my
him.
Round 2. Fight!
Oh my God.
No way! I shot you in the
Dezen
fucking
wins
face!
the round.
I'm trying to abort you 2 years after you were born.
Oh my God. Play the zone war.
I am.
Don't do the fucking berry bounce. Ooh. Oh. 2-0. Ooh, missed the shot.
Round 3. Fight!
Jesus Christ, bro, I keep whiffing. It's so annoying. Oh my god, and now I'm out of mats. You're such a sped. Look at you, you're still about to lose. Oh my god, bro. Holy fuck. Like, calm your tits, you stiff controller player.
Holy shit.
But you got some sharp nipples. Like, your dick is so fucking hard right now, bro. I just want to rub it off, bro. Like, it's like you're fucking good.
All fucked up now, I'm out here on my own. I get so high.